Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a global action in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need just to go we need to go to our setup and basically we click on setup and after that we need to search for global action. So here we just type global action and we will find our quick actions here. So now I'm just going to click on new action so we can start creating our action. So here you give it a type. So either it will start creating a record or log in a call, etc. etc. So I'm just going to create a record and I want to create a contact. So from here, let's just type con. Let's search for contact, and basically you will need just to choose any kind of object that you want to manipulate. And now let's just leave it like that. You give it a new name, so new contact, and it will have new contact, for example, etc. etc. So now I'm just going to click on save, and then you can start customizing the action layout. So for example, since we are modifying on the contact, so basically we have all these fields of the contact object. Basically, you can choose whatever you like. Either you are going to add the name, you can add also a fax if you want, like this, and you can start adding as many field or as many sections that you want. And then you will need simply to click on save. So here, by clicking on save, you will be able to start creating a new global action. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.